Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about subset and superset. But let me give you my definition and explanation using an instance. Here I'm having set 1 and it has 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. And we are having set 2, it has 2 elements, 1 and 2. And if I want to define subset meaning, it means that we can declare that set 2 is a subset of set 1 because all the elements of set 2 are contained in set 1. Let me repeat it. So I can say set 2 is a subset of set 1, and the reason is all the elements of set 2 are contained in set 1. Therefore, set 2 is a subset of set 1. And vice versa, we can say set 1 is a superset of set 2 for the same reason, because all the elements of set 2 are contained in set 1. So in other words, if one set is a subset of another, the second set is automatically a superset of the first one. So if we want to do this checking with Python in codes, we can have the code like this. So I type down the print function, and in the parentheses, first I type down the message. I would like to see if set 2 is a subset of set 1. To type down in codes, I type down the name of the set 2, so set 2 lower than or equal to, and then set 1. This sign represents a subset. And if I want to check the superset, so I would like to mention if set 1 is a superset of set 2, I type down the name set 1 and using the larger than or equal to sign, which is the superset sign, and on the right hand side, I'm having set 2. So for the subset, when we are checking, I type down the set 2 on the left hand side, and for the superset, I type down the set 1 on the left hand side. So when I run this code, we see this in the output. So I'm asking to see, is set 2 a subset of set 1? And the answer is true. Well, yes, the answer is yes, because all the elements of set 2 are included in set 1. And then I'm saying, is set 1 a superset of set 2? And the answer is yes, and for the same reason. Thank you for watching.